This is HTML Deployer, a simple extension that helps you publish an AI-generated HTML page online in just a few clicks. When the extension detects HTML code, it shows the deploy button right here and here. Just click Deploy and the extension panel will open right away. Here, you can preview the page before publishing it. You can quickly check how it looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile, so you know everything looks good on different screens. You can also change the file name here. Just use a short and clear name that matches your website. There are 4 ways to publish your HTML page. You can download it as a zip file, deploy it to cloud platforms like Netlify, Vercel, or GitHub, upload it with FTP, or use Host Agent. In this video, I'll show you how to publish the page to Netlify. First, we need to connect Netlify using a token, so let's open Settings. Now click this link to open the Netlify token page. Here, you can choose when the token expires. I'll set it to no expiration, but you can choose any time you prefer. Next, give the token a name that's easy to recognize later. Then click to create the token and copy this token code. Go back to the extension settings, paste the token into this box, and click Connect. After Netlify is connected, go back to your AI tool and open the extension again. Choose Netlify as the platform, then click Deploy to Host. And that's basically it. When it's done, click this link to open your website. And there you go. This is your live website, created from the HTML page you made with an AI tool. You also get the website link and all the basic site information here. You can use this tool with AI platforms like Claude, ChatGPT, and Gemini.